Saving time with Oracle clips.
In this clip we will look at using Podman to stop containers. We have already a number of containers created and started using Oracle Linux images from the Oracle Container Registry. First, let's see the containers running on our system. We use the command podman ps. This command only shows running containers. There may be other containers which are not running, so you can see all of the containers with the option -a. Let's stop the container called myfirstol8. We use the command podman stop myfirstol8, identifying the container by its name. And let's see the status of all containers now. The status shows the container has exited and the time since it was stopped. Instead of its name, we could also use the container ID or even a partial ID. The ID can be the full listed ID or part of it reading from left to right. Here we will stop the mySecondOL8 container with its container ID. But note that the container IDs are generated when a container is created, so it will be different if you recreate the container again later. We can stop multiple containers with the command. Here we stop 3 containers. We can attach to a running container to access its shell prompt with the command podman attach. And if we use the exit command at the container prompt, it exits us from the container but also stops the container. And we verify this by checking the container status again. You can have the command ignore errors that might occur from a failure during the stopping process by adding the --ignore option. And finally, you can use the -a option to stop all containers. So that's a quick look at some of the Podman options for stopping containers.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.